Yes, bro, how's you doings?
I am good. I like your microphone.
I like your microphone, bro. But mine's dead. Absolutely dead. Lol, you're right, mate, you gay head. I know, I think it's frozen.
There you
Oh shit, okay.
go. There you go.
Oh shit, oh my freaking shit.
What?
You're a baller. You're a freaking...
Calm down, bro.
You know what,
Calm
right?
down.
Holy shit. Look at you! That's dead! What is that? Compared to yours? What is that? Tell you something.
Yeah.
Is what I say to that.
Cool.
Is that what I'm saying? I'm trying my best to concentrate. See you later. Right, Jesus. I've got a problem, and every time I get happy, I just. Do you want to just try and make me happy, and then you can see what happens? What you cooking, bitch? Jesus. Come on, Jesus. Okay. He's a scribbly scrubby, is. I think he's scribbly scrubbing. He's having some fun, he is. He's having a bit of banter. Shake your head if you're gay. See you later. Hello lads, how you doing? Why are you dancing to that? That ain't a freaking song, okay? That's my freaking Tourette's and you're taking the mick out of me. Okay, do it with me. No, you gotta do it. Come on, do it. Just do it once. No, not eh. Okay. You just gotta do it. You just gotta do it. Come on, let's go. No! You gotta go. Like that. Karate pose, like that. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's skip me.
Skip though.
And that's how to freestyle. I think he wants to see the go. No, didn't like that, did you? You didn't, did you? No, didn't think so. Right, so I'm gonna show you one more thing.
It's offensive.
Ah, you like that one though? Ah!
Get the fuck out of here.
Why you say to me? Why you say to me? Right. You know you wanna laugh, mate. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. Right, what about this one? This one's called The Funeral. This one is called My Wife Karate Chopped Me in My Head and Kicked Me in the Other Side. No? No? Yeah, it is. I can tell you're gonna laugh. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, mate. Yes, yeah, you're gonna laugh, bro. So don't even try. Do not. Ah! Yes, bro. You know you want to. What about that one then? Because you laughed at that one. Come on, bro.